vinegar.
Ayan, yan.
Where do I put it?
Okay.
Where do we? Yeah.
Does it smell?
No, it smells like
Where do we
egg.
put salt?
Like an egg.
Okay, small only. No, don't
You put the
remove the.
vinegar, a little bit vinegar.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna zip.
You sip.
Sip it.
Yeah, you're gonna sip
a little
it.
bit vinegar, a little bit.
Okay. The juice inside.
Juice.
Get ready. Okay.
Oh,
Oh.
what is this?
Oh, no, it's not.
Now.
Oh.
Wow.
Go, Edward.
Like I said, this.
Yeah, do I peel it?
Oh yeah, you need to peel it.
You can eat the yellow one.
Has it got bones? Oh, you eat the bones?
Yeah, you're gonna eat the chicken. You just remove the shell. Okay.
Take a photo.
Oh, did you see the chicken inside? Oh.
You put the vinegar.
Eat it
Directly.
directly
Like this. Put in your mouth.
as a whole.
It's a more protein. A little duck.
Okay. Oh, that's a hole. You're gonna
Eat it all.
Whole thing.
Well, must be there. You put the
vinegar. Yeah.
Put some vinegar first. Yellow na lang. Since the yellow one.
We can remove the if you want. We can remove the chicken. Okay. Yeah. Okay, one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
The taste is good.
Here's the tissue.
Kuya, may salt ka? Sige, may salt.
You can take it. Wow!
Must be there. You have put a little bit salt.
Wow! What is it?
Yeah.
I like it.
How about you, ma'am?
It was good, but I can't get out of my head. It was a chicken.
This is good.
It's a mind thing.
You try.